Hi, in this final video on quadratic graphs, we're going to find an unknown constant in a quadratic equation given information about the graph. So we've got this quadratic equation here, but we don't know that b on front of the x. So we're trying to find the value of b. Now, a way we could do it is just substitute points that we know are on the graph into the equation. Because remember, if a point lies on a graph, it must satisfy its equation. So we can just substitute it in. It must obey the equation. Now, there's different ways of doing this. Substituting in the 10 here, the y-intercept of 10, is not going to be that helpful because we can already see that the constant term here in this quadratic equation is 10. So that's not going to give us any information. So what we could use, though, is these x-intercepts here. If you wrote this as a coordinate, the -5 here, for example, is the coordinate -5, 0, because the y value is 0. So if we substitute the -5, 0 into this equation, hopefully that will tell us what the b is. So we're going to substitute in -5, 0, but it would also work if you substituted in the -1 as well. So that's your x value, that's your y value. And let's substitute it into y equals 2x squared plus bx plus 10. So the y we said was 0. And then the x we said was -5. So it's 2 times -5 squared. Whenever you have a negative number to a power, always put it in the brackets. Plus bx, so it's plus b times -5, which is -5b. And then plus that 10. So we substituted in the x is -5, the y is 0. Now let's just simplify this to work out b. We got 0 is, well, -5 squared is 25 times 2 is 50. -5b plus 10. Now the 50 plus the 10 is 60. So we get this. And we want to get b gradually on its own. So we could add 5b to both sides of the equation. So on the left-hand side, we've got 5b. On the right-hand side, we've got 60. And then, because it's 5 lots of b, we want to divide both sides by 5. And that gives you that b is equal to 12. And that is the final answer.